Okay, the parts of the guitar. This is called the headstock, and the headstock is where the tuning keys are. Tuning keys are how you tune your guitar. So in one direction, as you can hear, the pitch goes down. In the other direction, the pitch goes up. All right? This is the nut of the guitar. This is called the neck of the guitar. And these things that you see, these little metal things that are horizontal, those are called the frets. As you come down the guitar, you have the shoulders, the waist, the hip, the sound hole, and the bridge. Well, it's time to put the ChordBuddy on your guitar. ChordBuddy works wonderful. It's an amazing product, but like anything, it does have to be installed correctly. So let me tell you a little bit about the ChordBuddy before we put it on, and then I'll show you how. So as you know, each button presses down a chord. What you might not get is that on the underneath side, if you see that wiggling, each tab is pressing down at least 2, and in 3 instances it's pressing down 3 strings at one time. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to unscrew this so that this collar will slide up and back. Okay, and you want to lay the guitar down in your lap or either on a table, but put a towel or something under the table. You don't want to scratch your guitar. And I like to start from the big E side, and there's 2 clear shoulders that must sit on top of the fretboard right outside the 2 E strings, the top and bottom string. So push it over. You want to line it up right here, and you want to press down on the blue tab and make sure it's hitting just barely behind the 3rd fret. That's important. The 3rd fret, just barely behind it. Then squeeze it together with your thumb and finger, and then tighten it up. And let me tell you something. Go ahead and tighten it. You're not going to break it. Now, don't get a pair of vice grips and tighten it, but you need to get it really snug because you don't want it moving around on you. Because as you start pressing these down, see, if you don't have it tight enough, it's going to tilt and work its way down. Now, as you can see here, there's a slight upward angle, and that's what I mean by upward angle, like that. You do not want the ChordBuddy flat down. What will happen if it's flat? Your strings will buzz, and it will not sound good to you. So make sure when you have it installed that you do see this upward angle right here. And if you've done that, I can promise you it will play perfectly.